Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the B pillar on your second gen Vios 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris. So all you basically going to need is a 14 mil socket with a ratchet. So first thing you want to do is this little cover right here. What you want to do is grip right here and gently pull to the side. So hold on. It's gonna be little tabs holding it. Let me put this up, that way it stays in the camera's view. And then you want to gently pull it out, as so. And then what's holding the seat belt, let me raise this back up so y'all can see. This bolt right here that's holding the seat belt, all you want to do is loosen it. So it's a 14 mil. Hold on. Alright. Break it loose. There you go. Alright. So now this driver's side seatbelt's out. Next thing you want to do, I'm gonna have to take it off the mount real quick. So next thing you want to do, pull out the weather stripping along the pillar side, and you want to do that for the rear seat too. So open up your back door. You're gonna have to take it off on both sides. Then next, you want to take out this door seal. Lift up, pull it out, and then you gently want to pull this backwards. Well, unclip it here first. That's so. And then you just repeat the process for the top. Gently pull outwards. As so. And then once you got that out, what you want to do, let me close the door, that way I can put it on the mount. That way it's a better view for y'all. Well, at least try to put it on the mount. Hold on. Turn it this way. Alright. So you want to pull this outwards. And then slide it upwards like that. So if you didn't see, it's like that. What you want to do, pull it out, tilt it, and then lift it upwards. And then what you want to do, pull. Well, the camera didn't really get that. Hold on. For this right here, that's right behind the seatbelt, you just pull it outwards towards you. I'm trying to keep the camera on the mount, that way y'all can see everything that's going on. And after that, there's gonna be, the camera can't even get that either. There's two tabs right here, one right there. That hooks into these two, so you just, well, pull it off the tabs at the top. And that's how you remove the whole B panel. And this, you just pretty much just lift up. And then to put everything in reverse, where's that little piece? So you want to put this on, as so. The two hooks go behind this piece, and then the one hook goes at the bottom. So slide it on, you hear it click. And then you want to slide this piece underneath this tap bar right here. So do it as so. Put these two back hanging on the clip. Make sure the white tab that you see right there goes into that hole. And then this blue one goes into that hole. You want to make sure it's even. Holes lined up and then push in. Same thing with the top. And then bang it in. And then this hole, that hole with these two tabs goes in. Click it in like that. And then get your bolt and put it back in its hole. So you're going to hand tighten it, and then the seatbelt wants to hang on the slip on the bolt before you install it all the way and tighten it down. And you want to make sure the bolt's tight, just like how it was when you broke it loose. So. And then you're going to need a little flathead like this. What you want to do, go behind and pull this forward, as so. And then you want to get that piece. Alright, as soon as you got that little metal piece back behind its little lever, push down and then back in like that. And then these two lines go into these two right here. And then this top portion clicks to the top. Just slide it on, you hear it click. And voila. And then also, last thing you want to do, just put the weather stripping back on. That's easy. So that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.